everyone, welcome to this channel, and today we'll discuss briefly about schizophrenia. So what is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia is basically a mental disorder which may be characterized by profound disruption in thinking, In this disorder, the patient may feel the things which are not really exist, that means delusional, hallucination, seeing ghost like structures, listening things or listening sounds which are not actually real. So these are basically the symptoms. These are basically the symptoms of schizophrenia. So it is a serious disorder which basically disrupts the thinking process of an individual. The individual seems to be frightened and withdrawn from the environment, from the normal environment. The thinking of a person change in such a way that it affects their lifestyle. They cannot work properly, they cannot think properly, and even sometimes they commit suicide due to depression. Now I will discuss different types of schizophrenia. So there are several types. First one is paranoid schizophrenia. In this type of schizophrenia, the people or the individual have some false beliefs or delusion about being prosecuted or being punished by someone else. Their thinking, speech and emotions, however, remain fairly normal. They feel that these things are happening, but their thinking, speech and emotions are normal. Next is disorganized schizophrenia. These people are often confused and have jumbled speech. They may seem to be emotionless outward, and they may have inappropriate or childlike behavior. Often they have disorganized behavior that may disrupt the ability to perform normal activities such as showering or cooking, etc. Next is catatonic schizophrenia. So this is the most striking symptoms of this type are physical symptoms. People with catatonic schizophrenia are generally immobile and they are unresponsive to the world and around them. They become very rigid and stiff, and they are most of the time they are unable to move. They have peculiar type of movements. They repeat one word several times, or there is repetitive movements. For example, walking in a straight line over and over, repeatedly jumping in place, purposeless behaviors, and they are at increased risk of malnutrition, exhaustion and self-inflicted injury due to purposeless behavior and doing purposeless things which have basically no meaning. Next is undifferentiated schizophrenia. This is a subtype which is diagnosed when persons with the other three persons does not show the symptoms of the rest three types. One more thing is here is residual schizophrenia. It is not a type. But this type of schizophrenia occurs when the symptoms of the schizophrenia has decreased. There is hallucinations, delusions and other symptoms, but they are considerably less when the schizophrenia was originally diagnosed or first diagnosed. and in this phase the person may have some negative symptoms, for example like inexpressive faces, they have no expression in their face, blank looks, monotone speech, they may speak very slowly, they may feel lack of interest in the world and other people, and they have the inability to feel the pleasure. So this is a brief discussion regarding schizophrenia and its type. Here I am ending my today's video. See you in my next video, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.